Alex had his Mercury Colony Parks, which was the Mercury version of the Ford.
Took off and went over there. My friend said, well, I'm going to go to Costco and get some gas. And I said, well, I'll go to the system. Where are they now?
Yeah, like my cats.
The door was no problem.
Yeah.
It's expensive. Kids coming out.
Oh, I love to take the setters out and they're cruising.
And outside sailboat. Try to get out. Big enough gopher. Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah. That's why my cats are all indoors.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
How are you? Kind of sprinkly, huh?
A little bit.
It wasn't running good at all. It wasn't running, and I heard it. And there wasn't any metal problems, but it was missing a weird note. And I got it home and took it home. Got my hair on there. Spark plug wire wasn't in. He put an HEI distributor in it, and it was just like it came from Speedway, and it needed different weights. I got the other
My Vespa, I made that color a long time ago. Long enough to real fine glitter.
And so it's amazing because once in a while
You don't make it over there and make it anywhere I want.
They mentioned that. Oh, and they said that 14 minutes at wide open throttle.
Oh, really?
Okay, from last time.
The only piece of the Corvette I own is that leaf spring right there.
Oh, really? Well, that's too bad. What's going on with Charger Steve?
Why?
I don't know. Wednesday. No, I talked to him a little bit.
I'm a big party guy, but I wrote a Kawasaki in here. Oh my God.
Oh, that's it. Go see that guy.
Yours? Yours?
God bless you. Unless it was a hot day.
Yeah, this is just all.
This is great weather for it, isn't it?
Oh, yeah.
A little moisture in the air.
Well, actually, January's better. The thing used to produce so much more power. Looks very
And then this is the beginning of the new safety standard. Right. Okay. It started in 68, 69.
Okay.
But when you get it, if you get it, I'm available to give you a buzz.
Are you
all
local
right?
San Diego guy?
Yeah.
Okay.
You know what I mean? Should be driving like that, right? Are you part of the Corvette Club still? When I first started ran, you know this club? There's a bunch of guys from there. Over there. I know what. that, everything was just a little tweaky stuff. The dash line needs to be replaced.
Yeah.
I think I'm gonna do,
My buddy just said, dude, that picture, right? This is the same car, right? This
Oh, is this yours? Without telling me. And I said, I don't know. I don't remember that. I don't know. Huh? I've done that. I just.
It sits there and rotates. Didn't crack. And I replaced it 3 times.
Yeah. So far, this one's holding up. It's been about 2 years. I do want to get a bigger.